Weather phrasal verbs with meanings and example. Blow over. Meaning is to pass without causing serious damage. Example: the storm is expected to blow over by evening, bringing clearer skies tomorrow. Die down. Meaning is to become less intense. Example: after a day of strong winds, the gusts finally began to die down by sunset. Cloud over. Meaning is to become covered with clouds. Example: dark clouds began to cloud over the sky, hinting at an impending rain shower. Fog out. Meaning is to be obscured or delayed by fog. Example: the dense fog out this morning made it difficult to see more than a few feet ahead. Thunder down. Meaning is to produce a loud sound as thunder. Example: the storm began to thunder down with heavy rain and lightning. Freeze over. Meaning is to become covered with ice. Example: the pond started to freeze over as temperatures dropped below zero during the night. Fog up. Meaning is to become covered with fog or mist. Example: the car windows fogged up quickly as we drove into the humid forest. Hail down. Meaning is to fall as hail. Example: hailstones began to hail down fiercely, bouncing off rooftops and cars in the neighborhood. Heat up. Meaning is to become hotter. Example: the sun started to heat up the desert, causing the temperature to rise rapidly. Roll in. Meaning is to arrive in a large mass, often used for fog or clouds. Example: dark clouds began to roll in from the west, signaling an approaching thunderstorm. Shine through. Meaning is to be visible despite clouds. Example: despite the morning fog, the sun managed to shine through, warming up the chilly day. Snow in. Meaning is to be trapped by heavy snow. Example: the forecast predicts heavy snow in the mountains later tonight. Snow over. Meaning is to cover completely with snow. Example: the snow is expected to be over by noon, allowing for clearer skies in the afternoon. Snow down. Meaning is to fall heavily as snow. Example: the snow began to snow down steadily, covering the ground in a blanket of white. Ice over. Meaning is to become covered with ice. Example: the roads are dangerous because they have iced over after the freezing rain. Clear up. Meaning is to become clear or sunny. Example: the skies are finally starting to clear up after a week of rain and clouds. Pick up. Meaning is to become stronger or more intense. Example: the wind began to pick up, signaling a change in the weather. Warm up. Meaning is to become warmer. Example: the temperature is starting to warm up as spring approaches. Pour down. Meaning is to rain heavily. Example: it started to pour down rain just as we were about to leave for the picnic. Cool down. Meaning is to become cooler. Example: the evening breeze helped the temperature to cool down after a hot summer day. Blow up. Meaning is to become very windy or stormy. Example: dark clouds began to blow up quickly, hinting at an impending thunderstorm.